It's boarding day. We are here in Miami getting ready to board the Freedom of the Seas. We will hop on quickly and get checked in at our muster station, and then I'll give you a quick tour of our ocean view balcony room.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi.
That's
you
a
need?
nice thing, right? To make records.
You want to say hi for our YouTube channel? Cruise Savvy? What you need?
Your boarding pass, please. Now I'm famous, huh?
You're famous.
So, ma'am, this is your master station, B21, right? In any kind of emergency, you have to come at B21. When the captain will make the announcement, 7 short blasts with 1 long blast with your life jacket. And if you don't bring, you will gonna provide from here. You know how to wear the life jacket and all, right?
Yes.
Amazing. Right now, ma'am, your room is not ready yet. Around 1 p.m. your room will gonna be ready. But you can go to the deck 11 to have some food and relax. You can go inside, take the elevator to deck 11.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye. Okay, here we are. 7352 on Freedom of the Seas. First enter. Looks like we have closet space over here. Let's see. Safe. Got some shelving. The all-important life jackets. Lots of hangers. Okay, what else do we have? To my right, actually, that's nice. They have some hooks up here. And the bathroom door is right here. They put some hooks here. Typical cabin bathroom. Small, but manageable. You have a clothesline going across. I like that, in case you have any wet bathing suits or anything you need to hang up. Do not have a shower curtain. So much better. It is squeaky though, so if somebody's going to the bathroom in the middle of the night, you're going to hear it. Okay. On this side, we have a nice size sofa. Curtain. We bought us some water. Lots of space. Here. Looks like the European outlet. Two plugs. All of our welcome aboard stuff. By the bed you have a phone. I don't see any plugs there. No plugs up in there. Okay. So there are no outlets to be had by the bed. So unfortunately, you're going to have to put your chargers over here for your phones, your watches, your computers, or anything else you need to charge up. I did bring a charging station, so that's good. I'm glad I did that. Then we have our balcony. We're still here in the Port of Miami. We have two not lounge chairs, we have two regular chairs and a table. And this is your standard balcony room. We do have a connecting door in this room. So for those of you with kids, or if you're traveling with someone else, this is a good room to have because you can just unlock this door and you guys can go back and forth between cabins. Otherwise, what you have to do is out on the balcony, I'll show you again real quick. Out on the balcony, you have the dividers. So those dividers right there, you can ask your cabin steward to remove that and they will take out that partition so you're able to have one big balcony space and share it with the people beside you. So on either side. We are ready for our cruise. We will unpack and explore the ship. I'll bring you a full ship tour of the Freedom of the Seas very soon. Until then, happy sailing!